Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the proteins and amino acids. Proteins. Proteins are the building block materials of our body. Proteins are the body building block material of our body. Okay. So proteins are the building block material of body. The unit of protein is amino acid. Unit of protein is amino acid. Now the amino acids are made up of, we are going to discuss about amino acids. Amino acids are made by the amine group and R. It is the most commonest structure of an amino acid. ये किसी एक अमीनो एसिड का सबसे क्या है, सबसे कॉमन स्ट्रक्चर है. ठीक है. Now these amino acids are here NH2 for amine group, H for hydrogen, COOH, COOH is for carboxylic group, and R is alkyl group. Okay. In each kind of amino acid, these three things are mostly common. And lastly, here the alkyl group, which decides the name of the amino acids, but in different other kind of amino acids, certain other substitutes like sulfur or other things may or may not be present. Okay. So here the composition of amino acids. Amino acids has four things. Here NH2 should be written as NH2 in this manner. Why? Because it is the nitrogen which is going to form the bond with the carbon. Again, the atoms which is going to form the bond with the carbon or other atoms should be written next to him. So NH2 for the amine group, H for the hydrogen, COOH for the carboxylic acid group or the carboxylic group, and R for the alkyl group. Here R could be like CH3, C2H5 or something else. Alkyl is formed by loss of one hydrogen from a alkane group. Okay. So it is about the proteins and amino acids. Now the amino acids are of two types. Now we are going to discuss about the types of amino acids. It is types. Amino acids are basically of three types: basic, acidic, and neutral. The amino acids are of three types: basic amino acids, neutral amino acids, and acidic amino acids. Now, when the amine group is free, then it is said to be basic. Here, amine group is free. In case of acidic, the carboxyl group is free. And in case of neutral, both the amine and the carboxylic groups both are the joint. ठीक है, दोनों ही क्या होते हैं, दोनों ही फ्री नहीं होते हैं. The most common example of basic amino acids are lysine and arginine. Example is lysine and arginine. The most common acidic amino acids are glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Examples are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Then for the neutral amino acids, the most common example of the neutral amino acid is the valine. Now we are going to discuss how does what is a Zwitter ion and how does it is formed. What is a Zwitter ion? Zwitter ions are the type of ionic compound formed from the acids in the solution. When that Zwitter ion has both positive and negative terminals in same amino एसिड. ठीक है, सेम अमीनो एसिड के अंदर ही हमारा जो है कि दोनों पार्ट प्रेजेंट होता है. तो यहाँ पर एक ये फॉर्म कैसे होते हैं. सो जो भी हमारा एमीन ग्रुप है NH2 NH2COOH H and R. Here the carboxyl group will release the hydrogen that is accepted by the amine group. When we are going to form the Zwitter ion, it means it is a kind of amino acid which has positive as well as negative terminals on the same amino acids. Okay, how does it form? So the carboxyl group will release this their hydrogen, and that hydrogen is get accepted by the amine group. Thank you.